Hey guys, it's Sinjin here, and in today's video, I will be showing you guys how to make this Gudetama inspired sandwich using polymer clay. So without further ado, let's get started. So we're gonna start off with a piece of tan clay, and I'm just going to shape it into like a square shape with my fingers, like this. Then we're gonna texture it with some sandpaper. This will make our bread piece look a lot more realistic. Next, to add on some color, I'm using some soft pastel and I'm just dusting it on the side of the bread for the bread crust until you get something like this. Now for some veggies on our sandwich, I'm just going to make some lettuce. So here I'm taking a green piece of translucent clay and I'm just going to drag it out with my ball tool. This gives a really realistic texture and it looks really nice. Once you're happy with your lettuce piece, just drag off a piece and place it on your bread however you like. Alright, moving on to our little bacon blanket for our Gudetama. So here I have 3 shades of clay mixed with translucent clay. So the first one is this dark pink color, and for each of them I'm just going to roll them out into a snake. And after, we are just going to join the 3 pieces together. So to blend in the colors, we are just going to press the 3 colors together and then fold it over and repeat the process. After we're happy with how the pieces blend together, we can pull them apart and make it into a 2-piece layer. Now all they're left to do is just to carefully pull the pieces and stretch them out until you get a thin piece like this. To make it more 3-dimensional, I curled my pieces like this and I think it looks more pretty, but this step is optional. Then just make a couple pieces and lay them on top of the lettuce. Now it's finally time to make Gudetama, so here I'm just taking a piece of white clay and shaping it into a circle shape, and then taking my ball tool, I'm making a little indent for where Gudetama is going to be. Taking a yellow piece of clay, I'm just going to place it in the indent, and will be our Gudetama's face. Now for the face details, I'm using a tiny piece of white clay for its mouth. Now I'm adding on 2 lines of clay using my clay tool for the eyes. Then just another strip to outline the mouth. And that's our complete Gudetama face. So here to assemble it, I'm just placing the egg part on top. And then another piece of bacon to cover the top. Finally, don't forget to add on the eye pin if you want to make it into a charm. Now just bake these according to your clay package instructions. I also made another design. This one is with Gudetama lying on the egg and covered with the bacon. And here they are out of the oven. I'm just going to glaze it to add some shine. And here is how they look afterwards. I also made a little indent for Gudetama's butt. And that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys like this video, be sure to give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Also, if you want to watch more polymer clay tutorials, click the box above. But if you want to watch more DIYs on my channel, feel free to click the box below that one. And Sinjin here. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!